There it is up there. There goes the first stage booster rocket. Wow, this is perfect lighting for this. Wow, you can see the second stage, or the first stage booster rocket still tailing behind it. There's the first stage booster rocket still tailing behind it. Beautiful sunset tonight too. We'll probably see the first stage booster rocket starting its descent and a big burn. Should totally be able to see it in Mexico. Landing on the drone ship, Of Course I Still Love You. That first stage booster rocket should be coming down any second. Probably in this, there it is right there. Coming down for a burn. That's over Mexico, off the coast of Ensenada. And that's it for the burn. It'll be lower than the horizon on the next burn, so we won't be able to see it. And this one's just about ready to disappear as well. He's about halfway down in Baja California by now. It's a little cold out tonight. Sorry, I'm a little shaking. Oh wow, that was literally perfect timing, because look at this. Look at all the clouds that just came in. We never would have seen it. That was perfect timing. And it's gone. Thank you.